Louise Nevelson was born in Russia and grew up in Rockford, Maine. She eventually moved to New York, where she gained recognition as an artist in the 1950s. She was one of the first artists in residence at Tamarind, spending 3 months collaborating with printers in 1963 when the workshop was located in Los Angeles. Nevelson is internationally known for her assemblages made of found wooden forms and her sculptures made of steel, aluminum, plexiglass, and other materials. She often painted everything black because she believed black was the totality of color, that it contains all. Shape, shadow, dimensionality became more and more prominent. Later, she went on to work in all white, employing a sort of yin-yang approach. She was committed to form and the building of forms. In addition to her visual art practice, she studied modern dance as movement through space, as well as studying music. She was interested in the way stanzas in music are built and how choreography is built of formal movements. She also studied metaphysics and has been known to speak of the energy force as a building force of and for her work. She says, "If we recognize what we are made of and how we are put together, the rest is an extension. I don't want to make anything. What I am doing is living, the livingness of life, and using all these things to extend this awareness." For Nevelson, art was a place to live in and to breathe in, no question about it. She said that all of her work comes out of and begins with drawing, that even her sculptures were drawings in space. After she studied with artist Hans Hofmann in Germany, she began taking a cubist approach in her work, flattening the image and compressing space. The prints Nevelson made at Tamarind prioritized the use of the color black. She experimented with accentuating color as well. These prints echo her exploration of space that we see in her sculptures. The positive and negative spaces create a physicality to the image in the print. We can almost see and feel her building the forms. And in fact, she did build her printed images using lithographic crayons, touche, and fabrics. Here you can see a pattern emerge from the lace and other textured materials she used. Although the scale is different than her sculptures, Nevelson's love of form is as strong as ever.